Asibonge, asibonge. Papi, papi Zothwane, awuthina.
So Tabs.
Umuntu uzowasithola lesikhathi. I
Mm.
think ngiyenza ikhophi yestudy ukuthi kufanele senze le nto mfethu, but-ke ngiyajabula mfethu ngoke ngikubamba nawe ubhizi ukela ibhola lapha awuthina.
Yeah.
Mfethu, let's first welcome Papi Zothwane on the show, the podcast yami le u-TS Msongelwa and Amaqhawe. I won't introduce Papi Zothwane. He's gonna introduce himself. He's gonna tell us where is he from, ubuyaphi, ubani, yabo. Then we'll talk about some other stuff after that. Papi Zothwane mfethu ngicela nje usenze i-introduction ukuthi uPapi wakuphi, ubuyaphi, ngoba abantu mhlawumbe bacabanga ukuthi uPapi wasedurban. Yeah.
No, Tabs mfethu, thanks. Mina nguPapi Zothwane. Originally ngibuya eBuphilong eVaal. Abantu ngiyazi mostly they think ukuthi ngwase-KZN because most of my time ngihlale e-KZN fike ngisasemncane. But originally ngibuya Sotho. Obvious isikhathi esiningi angisikhulumi isiSotho because ngihlezi ngise-KZN. But uma ngisekhaya ngizikhulumela isiSotho. So yeah, ngiyabonga Awuthiyani ukungi-invite kwi-podcast yakho. We can take it from there.
Yeah, mfethu angiyajabula. And mfethu it brings back ama-memories ngibona kanje. Abantu they don't know ukuthi sike sahlangana.
Hey,
they don't know ukuthi sike sahlangana. But-ke Awuthami bengicela nje just nje sizongena kakhulu kule nto yakho ye-career ye-football. I remember when we first met Maritzburg City, you were studying from Jozi, then the program in Maritzburg City brought you to Peter Maritzburg. Then after that, yeah, kwase kwenzeka nale nto yokuthi I remember ukuthi you were too keen to continue with your studies when you were playing with Maritzburg City. But ngifuna usichazele Awuthami ukuthi this thing yokuthi uzibone sowufika ku-Maritzburg City, what did it come about? Because I think I went for a trial for the whole day there. Lot of players there, Eric Wala. Mase ngifika ngithi lapha, not even one player that was there.
Yeah.
So bengicela uku-start back mfethu ukuthi how did you came to join Maritzburg City at that time? How did they scout you? Yenze kanjani ukuthi ufike la? Okanye before then, which team did you play it for? Then wabe sowuscoutwa kanjani ukuthi ugcine sowufika ku-Maritzburg City?
I will play for Real Rangers, eVaal. I remember there was Lungisani Ndlela, Solimate. They were playing for the same team. Abohloni Manzana, Umazingisa Senzo. We were playing in Pop Safe near Maritzburg City. It was last day too. So from there, Thabo Dladla and Reggie Shelembe noManqoba Mngqithi wakhusha laphana. So they invited us to come, the 5 of us. So we went there, but they took Mina no Manzana. No Masinga was not there. Simlanda sesimlanda ngasemuva. But so Mina no Manzana. Then challenge kwakuthi ngenze i-matric, so it was a challenge because I had to get the permission kumagogo. But I ended up agreeing nesikole ukuthi ngizohamba study there and come and write the exam. And that's what I did, and that's how I got to be kwi-Maritzburg City.
Ngiyakhumbula ilife ye-Maritzburg City. Ngeke ngatshela amathida besikhuluma namathida lapha estadini ngithe liyathini le ngike ngafika ngibona sengidlala i-basketball. I remember the other pass omunye umfana wase-Cape Town ngimshaya ngephasi sidlala lapha eMbali. Ngaze ucabanga ukuthi ibhola liphumile.
Against the
But
ground
yeah,
like
yeah, no players from Cape Town came
yeah,
to Joes, yeah.
yeah.
So mfethu, after then I remember ukuthi bekhona lapha wadlala. Then they moved from lapha Maritzburg City now to become a Nansika PSL player. Ngifuna ukusithathe back so that nabantu bazi ukuthi how did it came about move yokuthi now Papi Zotwana is playing for Golden Arrows from Maritzburg City.
No, I remember we were playing practice game in Eros, and on the day I remember that weekend we were playing in league, and I was on red card.
Yeah.
So the guys were playing ROC, I was sitting on the stands watching Amachite Dlala.
Yeah.
So ROC was leading 2-0, Siala Emlas, Kingswell team. So manje makuyi 2-0, average yabona ukuthi izinto azihlangani, and obviously doesn't want
Usestendile lapho.
so manje uyabona akafuni ukuthi i-team even if idliwa but ibe embarrassed ukuthi idliwe ngabo-5 yabo, because they know Maritzburg City dominated teams yabo. So they called me to come in and play the second half. So I came in and played the second half. I helped Amachita. We ended up winning 3-2. So from then we drove back to Maritzburg. By then Maritzburg City Sipho nomabhudi besebeku Arrows. So uSipho came to the club house ethi mfethu bakufuni i-Arrows akufuni yabo. Hayi ngithe madoda i-Arrows I never thought ukuthi so soon yabo. And I was very, very excited. And I said, no, I don't have a problem. Into ekumele bayenze i-owner ye-Arrows uRocky must speak to Babshop. Then they ended up sorting it out, and I went to the Arrows, signed, went home. Obviously, it was a matter of uhlopha ngitshela ukuthi no. Everything's right, ungahamba. But I already told myself ukuthi noma engavumi angihamba
so uyabona la ukuthi
angithi amajita sewehambile. Amajita sewehambile. So no, that's how it came about.
No mfethu, ngifuna sifike nakule ndawo ye-national team because mina I believe ukuthi you are one people that was very, very, very good. Typical South African player among us. Would then offers from Durban now after signing with Arrows, offers came as Liverpool because big teams they always want to have players. I would say how Arrows mhlawumbe kuyenzeka kube khona ama-team ngathi aseJozi ukuthi kube khona imove yaseJozi. Ifike nini then because I think we were doing well and playing very well with Arrows.
No, because obviously angithi ama-teams when you play for another team, they've got an access to see ukuthi contract yakhe iphela nini. Obviously kumakhathi weligi yasho ukuthi i-contract yakhe iphela nini. So vele I knew ukuthi my contract iyaphela. So I always supported the Chiefs when I was young, and they showed interest ukuthi they want to sign me, and I was willing. Unfortunately, a move didn't happen. Went back to Arrows again. I played until such time last ngibona ukuthi there's no challenge anymore. And they are good youngsters. There are good youngsters coming, so they can't break in because Spale gap for one. So I ended up asking Umato to release me. So that's how I went to Sundowns.
No, but mfethu, engakhuluma kakhulu ngayo, but I might not say much on camera. Engakhuluma kakhulu. Umuntu ongakakuboni umuntu ongakakuboni. The reason why ngifuna ukulibuyisa back because this new generation now they never got an opportunity babone ibhola.
Mm.
Makukhulunywa kuthiwa hey Baba uzothwane was like this and so it's to them yabo.
Mm.
So that's why ngithi hayi let's revive la mathida siwabuyise yabo.
Yeah.
Nokuthi ke uthi njengoba uhambile waya ku-Sundowns, how was your stay at Sundowns? Because change of environment, Durban, Jozi, yabona i-competition is there, but now the different environment mawufika ku-Sundowns.
No, Lorna, Sundowns, there was not much
Yeah,
from what I'm used to.
yeah,
Yabo. But the only challenge was the personnel of coaches because you come from a setup where you could express yourself, been given the freedom. Then you come to an environment where there's too much restriction, how you must play, when. Yabo. So it became a bit of problem for me to adjust. Sometimes you have been changed from one position to the other. So it was a bit challenging. And in a lifestyle, you go to an environment where you compete with cars, compete with how you dress, who earns how much so it was a bit of challenge. But I've always been this guy who's not fascinated about what you drive and whatever. So I just drove whatever that I feel comfortable now. But the changing of coaches, one, injuries, two, three, obviously there's challenges where uh, there's certain people that they love. Because you must know what Sundowns, my son will play lele for your position. That means it's a replacement. It has always been like that. If you are playing a 10, they sign another 10. You must know what your way. That's the way Ozopuma corner now. So I think those are the three things: changing of coaches and the style from the coaches was different. Injuries and adjusting to a setup nje. And obviously, I don't want to lie. Even if you are there, you sometimes now experience some of the things that you never experienced at Tebe. Now you get to go with the big players. You end up going to places that you never been to. So it's a bit challenging. So it was a bit difficult. But yeah, I can't say the only thing that I was disappointed is maybe not playing so much. Because I remember it was World Cup coming, so I couldn't make the cut to World Cup because I didn't get enough game time. But in terms of the experience, the exposure, and to see how is it to play for a big team, it helped me a lot. Since I'm a coach, I know what are the challenges for our players if you are from this team to another. Can also help them to adjust ukuthi make suka ku-Richards Bay Pirates umbuthuma ukuthi what is it that you have to expect and do. I think for us it was an experience for us to teach abanye abantu who are coming ukuthi these are the levels so that we can impart the knowledge that we've got. As much as we couldn't get enough time kuleyo level for the longer period, but it helped us ukuthi we know the level.
Now change of land of manje Babizotwana becoming a coach now ukuthi because sometimes you don't know ukuthi uzogcina kuphi. Sometimes you plan, sometimes you never know yabona what might happen. Now Babizotwana manje becoming a coach. I remember told I think we had a long stay lapha kuThomazi. And I think that's when I believed ukuthi ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi okay no hayi future ikhona. So how did it come le ndaba yokuthi manje uPapi okay akasadlali and uPapi useqala indaba ye-coaching because I remember you came to another KFC one stage where you came to coach Peter Dad and we met From there,
Start.
yeah, kusokhona vele la.
Yeah.
But manje njengoba kusokhona i-coaching, but manje you wanted to pursue the coaching. What was the drive behind it?
No, I mean, honestly, I didn't have a plan to coach
Yeah,
because the thing didn't ball play. I wanted to focus on other things
yeah,
outside football. That thing bona ukuthi awuthi ngiziphilise ngazo
yeah.
so that if something doesn't happen in football because already I was 29 going to 30 and you have that thing ukuthi at that age yabona there's always challenges. You'll have contract onyaka, another contract. So I was fed up ngebhola. Yabo, was fed up. So I wanted to focus on other things. And one friend of mine was Marisbeck, Uma J.
Yeah.
They had Sobantu. So he just asked me ukuthi ngizobasiza.
Sobantu.
Yeah, because
ABC.
Yeah. And whatever that ebengiyizama bese ngibona ukuthi oh this is how we must do it. This is bese ngibona yabo bese ngijwayela sengi-understanda sengifaka abanye abantu ukuthi okay if I leave can you please look after this yabo. So mabe ngibiza ngizobasiza then I went there and ngabasiza nje kahle and they even competed for the league. It was my first time coaching. Unless elokishini isizini mayivaliwe intwana zasekasi, I'll go and help them where I can help them. Then after there ahlala ekhaya futhi focus on other things. Then Umato called me to say, hey man, come and coach Nokanu DDC. And I went there to assist Ukanu, but it was not yet there lento coaching.
We were supposed to keep up busy.
No, it was something nje ukuthi ihoza yabo. Then I did it. What changed a perception in terms of coaching? Coach Manga, because we were coaching DDC first team. So sometimes, or we're training the first team XN because Fiegaros it was Coach Clinton, then Babano Steve. So time to time before a session, we'll analyze my games, give a report. Coach, what did you see? So I'll give my input. So Coach Manga kept on encouraging me. Would say that you can talk in football. You know the game. Why are you so an introvert? So, come out. Don't be scared. And I'm that type, man. I don't want to. If I see something, Kuluma, if you mhlambe, I don't want to put him mhlambe if you are coaching zokutshela because sometimes you feel as if hey, lo muntu sekeyazi. So I'll keep it to myself. Maybe tell someone, hey, this is what I see. But I'll give them input in terms of what I've seen. So coached there with TDC for 3 to 4 years. It was locked down. We went home. The Numato cutted the staff and I was part of that. So immediately Pito Jaja wanted a coach. So Coach Mangat, no, Papi is available. I think Papi can help you. Then that's when Pito called me to come and help him. Then Papi see license we arrows because I knew Gucci then to Gucci Makale Paul will take advantage, go to Gale Paul, it doesn't work anymore. You have to go to school and empower yourself. That's why I said, hey, let me start with a C. Obviously, you have to go further, B, A, So I did my C, my B. So Coach Mang, I think he's the guy who encouraged me a lot. Which I try, you got this. So that's why I started to take myself seriously now.
Now there's there's 3 leagues. I would say second division, first division, and PSL. Let's say now, what is the difference where now we meet at the championship and the PSL? Because I think both leagues, well, in general, PSL match. What is the difference according to how can you differentiate two ukuthi i-competition la enje ama-challenge PSL yabona yini ongasitshela ngayo so that at least yabona mhlambe they remember it's part of the education
Yeah.
the people and the coaches young coaches are looking up to you must get that
Yeah. Personally, for me, from DDC going to first division, mentally you always have that thing which the league engaphezulu it's always difficult. But Mago first division, thinking of PSL is difficult. Until you get there, you see what there's nothing difficult. But the only thing that you have to know, you must know what when I in the that you want to see in your team. You understand? Because team and team play differently and the league is different. You understand? That's why when I came to Tongati, I played my own way. I recruited the players that I feel can play the way I want. And I dominated teams knowing what is my first season there. Because I believed Guti, this is how I feel Guti football mina ngifuna team yami idlale ngakhona. Ngestrength sakhe. Obviously you'll have challenges there and there. But that's how you grow challenges. Even go PSL, I remember when I was going first division, wanting to go to PSL. But when I got to PSL, I felt it's not difficult the way I thought. Because the same things that I was doing with first division, even the coaches, they are still doing the same things. It's how you apply and the personnel that you have. So the difference in Jegangan, it's the quality. You need to have players are quality for Premier League to know my moments because the Premier League you don't get in my moments. You make a mistake, they punish you. And the tactical part. So they plan a lot PSL because there's videos. They check what is strength sakho yini. And go first division amanye ama-team awena leyo luxury leyo. Udlala ne-team ongakaze uyibona. Uzoyibona on the day. So even if you can have clips zama-team, your job as a coach is to see i-set up because ama-solution wathola ngegame. Noma ungaza ne-video, akudlali i-video, kudlala Thabiso uma ngedlala, that's what you see ukuthi okay, hayi uThabiso uyasiqeda hayi. Asimake lona because Thabiso lento bese icabanga akayenzi. I think that's where you grow as a coach ukuthi coming up with difficulties and bringing ama-solutions. Personally for me, I don't know for other people. I don't see a difficulty. As much as I expected because I had so much cloud with Enzima Leli. But I still see myself as a coach who's been coaching at DDC, giving the same instructions, doing the same things. The only thing that you just learn more about trends, Africa. But the football is the same. Yeah, for me, football is fun. The only thing difference I'm a level.
Siyabonga ukuthi usinikeze isikhathi kule Duma Foundation. Ukuthi-ke I can see there are a lot of guys here. Now as the coach, what can you say about the tournament?
I've been traveling to tournaments and I love the standard that Duma Foundation. I'm seeing the professionalism, the timekeeping. It's very important. This kati, and especially for me, I love my players amancane because I believe that's where the future lies. You invest in my players amancane because if you look at the national team that is playing currently, you've got Mbogazi, you've got Makgopa, you've got Mbule, you've got Mukwena. But Morem, you can name a lot. They come from DDC. The players that are in the AFCON, they come from the DDC 3 years back, 4 years back. Those are the players that are playing to the national team. So even in this tournament, there will be players in 2-3 years that will be playing in the highest level we Premier League, even national team. So you must invest under 20. I like when our tournaments are specifically based with age. You understand? Because you open, you get a player that is exceptional, but he's 29 or he's 30. But at least Ilana, it's our job as coaches to a player in a 17 or 18 that you see potential. That's your job as a coach to to take him to another level. So I think one, I'm impressed in a setup. I'm impressed in the quality of the players that we are seeing, and I'm happy with the coaches. Our coach Alabafad, you can see they invest this Katsabo in terms of technique, because go development, go stage, you need more technique. Then the tactical party where I to understand the game, so that when they go to another level, at least tactically, say they understand how do you play the position. But in terms of the standard, I think it's growing. It's my first time in Zala. I think next year it will be on another level. Obviously, each tournament has got our own lessons, and you always take positives and try to improve. But I think the standard it's a good standard for abantu abazobuka ebhola and for under 21s. Yeah, so I think it's doing well.
No, but in fact, I'm very honored, very pleased ukuthi ngithole isikhathi sokuthi siyasiqoqa outside. Ngoba zazi ukuthi
Yeah. Ngiyakubonga mina Chaps.
Mfethu, it's good, man, that you also motivate. By availing yourself in a tournament like this, the boys will
Yeah.
because they know who there's coach from Bay.
Yeah.
So yenza ukuthi ayibona.
Yeah, to push them.
Thank you very much for your time, mfethu. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usinikeze le opportunity sikwazi ukukhuluma nawe, mfethu. Hopefully maybe ngesinye isikhathi singaphinde sihlangane.
Yeah, definitely. No, definitely.
Angibonge. We come to our end of the interview to take back.